Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And today we'll be doing a DIY rose water. Now you know what you can do to the leftover of the roses for those who normally get roses, and also for those who grow roses. You'll need rose water and water. Rose water has got a lot of benefits for the hair, for the skin, and also other uses. And for the hair, it helps in damaged hair. It's used as a hair treatment, helps you with healthy hair growth, and so many other benefits. And for the skin, it's used as a toner, as a makeup remover, as a primer, and also as a setting spray. And these cuttings I'm planning to grow rose flower. I don't know how possible it's going to be, but I'll just try and see how it goes. And I'll see how it goes. And so the first thing you'll have to do is wash the rose petals thoroughly with warm water. Ensure you wash them thoroughly so that they can become clean. And after that, you put it in a saucepan and you bring it to a boil. When it has begin to boil, reduce the heat and simmer for some few minutes, and wait until the petals are white or translucent. And once they are white or translucent, you remove them from the heat and you wait for them to cool down. Then strain and transfer the water into a jar. And there you have it. There is your rose water. You can use it also as a body wash, and even for making clothes fresher, and also as a aftershave kind of water soap. So thank you so much for joining me. It has been lovely doing this thing, and until next time, bye.